I want to give you my review on these wide mouth amber ball mason jars. These are the greatest things. So what I do with these is I put my fresh fruit in here. Now I will take strawberries and blueberries, wash them, put them in here, and I cannot believe how long they last in this wide mouth jar. Now, what's great about the amber is it helps keep the light out, and light is part of what makes um, fruit deteriorate, and so it helps when you don't have a lot of light in it. So they come in a set. You can get them in set of fours or sets of twos. Just really like them. Oh, the other thing I use them for, salads for work. Now you can also make your salads, stack them in here, and then put them in the refrigerator, and they will last all week long. You can make 4 for a week, and then you won't have to do it. You'll make lunch again. These are a great little addition, and that's just my honest opinion.